Hi, I am Lemon, and in this video I'll show you how to draw a line in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, open your Excel workbook. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Click Shapes. Under the Line section, select the Line tool. Now click and drag anywhere on your worksheet to draw a line. If you want to create a perfectly horizontal or vertical line, press and hold the Shift key while dragging. Once you have drawn the line, click on it to select it. The Shape Format tab will appear at the top. You can also adjust the line thickness by selecting White. From here, you can change the line color by clicking Shape Outline. If you would like a different style, choose dashes to apply a dashed or dotted line. You can even add arrows to either end of the line if needed. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to draw and customize a line in Microsoft Excel. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.